What's up, my ninjas? This is the Internet Income Ninja coming to you with another money making video from the internet. If you're joining me for the first time, feel free to hit that subscribe button because it will be well worth it. Regular videos showcasing how you can use certain websites, certain tools, share tips and tricks, all geared to making money online. And while you're at it, hit the go ahead, like, comment, and share. All right. And when you subscribe, hit the notification bell because that will notify you whenever money making opportunities come out. All right, guys. So, this video is about an accounts payable associate position at a company called JellySmack. If you've never heard of JellySmack, that's fine. You've probably seen their work, which you might see on channels like Brad Mondo, on Jeffree Star. I think it's Anna Garcia as well. There's Mr. Beast and a host of other content creators that they have under their belt. Now, this lead is a truly work from home opportunity. You need a laptop, you need internet, high speed, reliable internet, and you can be well on your way to be making a full time income from any country in the world once you get accepted. Now, they're based in New York, USA. It is a legal and finance department, and again, the position is full-time. Now, JellySmack is the global creator company that detects and develops the world's most talented video creators on social media. We're an optimistic crew who naturally goes the extra mile, has a glass half full mindset, and sees challenges as opportunities. We look for positive people who think outside the box, are inventive, bold, lead change, and believe that teamwork matters. A bit about the team culture. The finance team is the backbone of JellySmack. We keep everything running smoothly through effective accounting, payroll, and financial controlling. No one here is a stereotypical boring accountant. We're fun, outgoing, and laid back. Now, do you have what it takes to be part of the team? Are you fun? Are you laid back? Are you outgoing? I guess we'll figure that out. Now, a bit about the role. JellySmack is seeking a highly motivated and organized accounts payable associate to join our growing team. The responsibilities will include collecting all necessary vendor onboarding documents and set up new vendors in the AP platform, review and validate invoices prior to processing, assist with processing of employee T&E reimbursements, draft and communicate AP policies and procedures to the company, establish and maintain controls to prevent or detect fraud, collaborate with business process owners to ensure timely receipt of invoices and/or establish accruals as needed, assist with ad hoc reporting requirements, monitor the integration queue between AP platform and GL, and investigate and resolve issues, assist with preparation of 1099s, support GL team with month-end close and audit processes as needed, work closely with cross-functional departments and international operations as needed, maintain AP aging schedule, and under that, your requirements will be as follows. This is what they want you to have. This is the version of the person that they're looking for to hire. Okay? You have a bachelor's degree in accounting, finance, economics, business, or a related quantitative field. Many work from home opportunities don't necessarily require this, but this is JellySmack's thing for this role. They want you to have a bachelor's degree in accounting, finance, economics, business, or a related quantitative field. You're going to be handling quite a bit of money and they want to make sure that you're competent. Okay? And that's why they have it in bold. It's darker than all the other writing. All right? You should have a minimum of 1 to 2 years of experience in accounting, accounts payable, or related function. You have strong collaboration skills and an impeccable eye for detail. You have strong verbal and written communication skills. Email etiquette and professionalism are essential. You are self-motivated, agile, and able to work in a flexible remote environment. Experience with NetSuite is a plus. Now, the benefits of working for this company. JellySmack believes in a flexible, and my dog believes it too. But JellySmack believes in a flexible work environment in which anyone can work from anywhere. This is why we've implemented our flexible location philosophy, meaning you get the best of both worlds. You can choose to work from home and or from our offices in Paris, New York, Los Angeles, and Corti. To make sure you get the best working environment, you will get a 300 US dollars or 250 euro allowance to get set up, meaning you can use that money to, I don't know, buy a desk, buy a new mouse, buy a new screen, like a flat screen or something, or put towards the purchase of a flat screen. Some people like multiple screens, so they might buy a portable monitor. There are some really cool, like 15.5-inch monitors that Asus makes. I'm not sponsored by them, but they're really cool. You can just plug them into your USB ports and you're good to go. You have one extra screen. The perks: early summer release Fridays. Paid volunteering, you get 1 day dedicated to supporting a cause of your choice, company-sponsored wellness programs and events, competitive healthcare coverage, and 401k match. Now, the difference between them and others, our commitment to diversity and inclusion at JellySmack. We believe that the best ideas from the diverse cultures of our team members. Our commitment to inclusion across race, gender, age, religion, identity, and experience drives us forward every day. Creating a work culture that is safe and comfortable for our people to flourish is our main focus. Now, you can read more about JellySmack here. They were started in 2016 and they have grown to become, I believe it is the third largest, if not the largest, somewhere up there in the top 3 company that does what they do. Some of the influencers that they have helped, which is some of the big names of the 250 influential creators that they have. You have people like Derek Desso, Karina Garcia, Brad Mondo, as I mentioned earlier, Mr. Beast, mentioned earlier, Bailey Sarian, Patrick Starr, not Jeffree Star, Patrick Starr. All right, I fumbled earlier, it's Patrick Starr. PewDiePie. Okay. JellySmack optimizes, operates, and distributes creator mode video content to Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, Twitter, and YouTube. The company's creator strategy builds upon its success in scaling its own original content channels in beauty, like Beauty Studio, soccer, like channels like Oh My Goal, gaming, Gameology, and more. All right. So if you're ready to be part of the team and be part of a great human adventure, you should definitely press this blue button. Okay, when you press that button, the application page will open up and you will be able to apply for this lead. So we press this button, up comes the application page. It reviews all that we just went through, and then if you notice, I'm going to press here where it says application. You can just head to the application and you can import your resume from your device, or you could just enter the fields here. Do both. Okay, do both. But you can import your resume, or you could just fill out your information, enter your phone number and stuff, your address, upload a photo, which is optional. If you want to add fields like education, experience, summary, you can upload your resume there. Cover letter there, you could just type it in. Are you legally authorized to work in the country where the job is located? Yes or no. You just answer the yes or no questions, like do you currently have a job? Okay. Answer all these questions to the best of your knowledge and ability. And when you're done, hit submit. And that's all she wrote. Thanks so much for watching. This is the Internet Income Ninja. I wish you all the best. Thank you so much for subscribing, for liking this video, for clicking on it in the first place and watching. And let me know where you're watching from. Let me know if any lead has helped you on your journey to financial freedom. And speaking of journeying to financial freedom, there's the first link in the description below, teaches you a skill. This skill allows you to be able to sell products that are not yours and get a hefty commission for doing so, right? So if that's something you want to start up, something that is semi-passive, you only work on it roughly an hour or two per day, click that link in the description, the first link in the description. Guys, I'll catch you later. Stay safe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.